How to check your LinkedIn analytics. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in linkedin.com and get logged into your LinkedIn account. Now let's go ahead onto our profile. In order to know the analytics, click onto Me section, then click onto View Profile. Then scroll below. Under Analytics, you will see Show All Analytics. Click onto that option. Now here you will see 4 analytics, which is post impressions, followers, profile viewers, and search appearances. Let's go ahead and start with post impressions. If you have any post that you have posted on LinkedIn, you will see all the impression at this page. As I have posted 0 post, this shows nil in my profile. Let's go back. You can also see your followers. Filter it past 7 days or past 14 days as per your preferences and click on to show results. Just like so, explore other tools as well. Now this means that when people were searching for employees, you appeared this many times in searches. And after knowing all the analytics and insights from your LinkedIn profile, you can create yourself a own personal branding and build your connections in order to advance your branding. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.